Thank you for watching
Dosbros!
And don't forget to like us, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Today we will be updating the toilet with the bidet attachment.
Before we start this project, I'm going to tell you guys a little joke. Why did the skeleton go to the party alone? Do you know, bro?
No.
Because it had no body.
Good one, dude. Now, let's start with our project.
I'm going to show you how to install the bidet. And you start by turning off your water hose. And when you have no more water, you proceed on taking out the toilet seat. And you grab a screwdriver and twist the bolts. Now that you have taken your toilet seat out, you continue taking the water hose out. Make sure to take out the water hose that is attached to the toilet. Make sure you have a little bucket to put the hose in case any extra water. Now you grab the little adapter and you screw it out just like that, and you put it on one side of your hose and just leave it there for now. And now you grab the adapter and attach it to the bottom of the toilet. Now that you have attached it to the toilet, you proceed on attaching it to the hose. And now you place the hose onto the adapter. Now it's time to attach the white hose to the bidet.
And remember, to help us out making more of these videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell. It only takes a few seconds to help. Thanks for watching.
Now you adjust your bidet to fit the toilet. Have someone hold the bidet and the other person place the toilet seat.
Now you proceed to attach the bolts. And then do the next one. Okay, and make sure you tie the bolts.
Put the water back on.
Now, let's find out if it works. The bidet has two options, nozzle cleaner and wash. First, let's try the nozzle. It looks like it's working just fine. You use this to clean the nozzle or to clean after you go. Now we're going to try the wash. I'm going to put my hand right here just to show you. It looks like it's working just fine. And now your bidet is ready. Thank you for watching, and let's keep on updating this bathroom.
Thank you for watching
Dosbros!
And don't forget to like us, subscribe, and ring the bell.
For more adventures and tutorials, bros out!